You know, I have been known for my amazing, amazing gut noises. So, I decided just today that I'm going to sit here, relax, enjoy some fizzy drink, let you watch my belly do its fucking job and expel big, huge, giant gut burps. Oh yeah, that was just for you. Can you smell that in your fucking face? Yeah, that was for you. Oh, here we go, the other one. I don't know how fucking nice that feels to have these big old belches come out of my belly. It's so fucking nice. It feels so good. Just let them rip. Ooh, someone came up with that. Tastes good. Can you smell my belches? Can you smell my fucking gut from there? Good. I want you to smell my fucking gut from there. Smell the inside. That's how I like it. That's how I want my burp boys. Because you are my burp boy. You smell, you take all my gut fucking smells. Sniff it, taste it. Love it. Did that tease you? Oh yeah. Of course I'm gonna fucking tease you, burp boy. Yeah. I gotta let him brew. Gotta let him come up from the bowels of my gut. Come all the way up through my throat. And out my fucking mouth. They have to make their way through all the way down. And all the way back up. So my yummy gut burps go on quite a mission before they're here for your delight. So consider yourself lucky. There you go. That was the one. That was the fucking big mother load. Do I have any more, pray tell? Of course I fucking do. I think I must say that was my biggest belch ever on camera. fucking hot as shit. That big ass fucking nasty stinky long gut burp straight from the fucking trenches. Yeah, you just let them sit in there, let them digest a little. You just got the biggest one that I've ever done, which is awesome for you and for me. That was like just came right out. See if I have one more for you, baby. Open wide. Well, I'm glad you got to see the biggest burp I've ever done. I plan to do much more, so. Do you want more? Is that not good enough? Did that not satisfy you? Oh, pray tell. Do I have more in there? I have a little more bubbly drink. But on that note, I don't know. Can I top that? You'll have to just tune in to find out. Yeah, most definitely. Tune in to find out if my gut has any more big, nasty, disgusting burps for you. Because I always deliver. Damn, that was fucking good.